This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Manuela Capello. Luxurious townhouse in the heart of Coconut Grove with open floor plan, porcelain tile floor, gourmet kitchen with Italian cabinets, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances, and new refrigerator. 3 spacious bedrooms with lots of natural light, walk-in closet and a balcony. 3 bathrooms, 1 car garage, and 2 guest parking spaces. Modern and floor-to-ceiling impact doors and windows. Rooftop patio with extra kitchen and 2 covered terraces. Private pool and a hot tub with automated LED lights and a sprinkler system. Walk to Cocowalk, Merrick Park Mall, restaurants, pharmacies, grocery stores, train stations, great schools, and the University of Miami. Easy access to Miami Airport, Miami Beach, downtown, and Key Biscayne beaches. Showing by appointment only. Please do not disturb the tenant. For more information,